Can you hear it? The deafening
Look,
roar of
Wooloo!
the crowd
Check
here in
out
the
Lee's
stadium.
Charizard!
The challenger is B, a master of Gallo Karate. Against the strongest of them all, our champion, Leon.
The champion is amazing! So proud of my big bro! Check it out, Wooloo. In order to become the league champion, you gotta be able to do this! Check it out! Right here! Charizard's flamethrower is so powerful! So cool! Flamethrower is amazing! Huh? Are you pretending to be Charizard? Wooloo, you're not a fire-type Pokemon. Man, look at its technique in the air! Lee and Charizard are unbeatable! Huh? What are you doing? Right now, Wooloo's only moves are Tackle and Defense Curl. We're not gonna catch up to them like this. Okay, time to study more of their matches. One day, I'm gonna challenge the Pokemon League. With you at my side. Right, Wooloo? Wooloo?
Check it out! What a cutie! Do that breathing thing again! It's
Hey, now where did you come from? Oh, did you run off from somewhere? I'm sure someone is very worried about you right now. Thanks for coming. Will you please take this Wooloo to the address on its tag?
Did it get lost?
Oh. What? Don't you want to go home? Okay then, I'm counting on you! Okay, there now. Oh, thank you.
Wooloo! Where did you go, Wooloo? Wooloo! Wooloo!
Me?
Wooloo! Wooloo! Where are you? Wooloo! Wooloo! It's me! Wooloo! Wooloo! I'm so sorry! There are things only you can do! I know it, Wooloo! Let's go to the Pokemon League together! Wooloo! It has to be with you!
Looks like we need to land, Corviknight.
Wooloo, I was so worried about you. Acting like Charizard again. You're perfect just the way you are, Wooloo.
Looks like it's all right. Do you need a ride? That Wooloo really took me by surprise. I certainly didn't expect it to jump out. You and that Wooloo must really share one powerful bond, am I right? Huh? You listening?